Virgin Router Login. 1. Check device connection. Ensure your device, computer or phone, is connected to the Virgin router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. 2. Verify router status. Confirm the router is powered on, with indicator light stable. 3. Open a browser. Launch any web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari on your device. 4. Enter the IP address. Type 192.168.0.1 into the browser's address bar. 5. Press Enter. This takes you to the Virgin Router login page. Six. Locate login credentials. Find the default username and password on the router sticker or manual. 7. Enter username and password. Input the login credentials into the appropriate fields. 8. Click Login or Sign In, submit the details to access the admin dashboard. 9. Explore the dashboard. Review settings like Wi-Fi name, password, or parental controls. 10. Save changes and log out. If you modify settings, click Save and then log out securely. Thank you for watching.